Hello, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to remove the clamshell cover from a Mark 8 Golf. So here I have the clamshell cover removed after I've already installed my dash cam. So to start, this circle is where the mirror would come out facing the driver. So the first thing you want to do to remove this is to press at the top here where the both pieces meet. That will unseat the clip at the top. And when that's unseated a little bit, you'll hear a small click. You want to pry it out a little bit. Now, because the rest of the clips will still be attached, it will be a little hard, but you don't have to open it much. You just want to prevent it from clicking itself back in. The second thing you want to do is slide the right shell out a little bit to the outside to unseat this clip here. Now, this clip is still attached to the upper mirror housing. Now, once you shimmy that one out a little bit, you want to firmly hold the left side and then give the right side. If you can get your fingers in here, it would make it a lot easier. Get your fingers in there, hold the left side firmly, and just give the right side a twist towards the windshield. You'll hear a loud click like that, loud snap. But when I do that, it doesn't appear to be anything broken. And once this right side is removed, you can just slide the left side out, trying to unseat the clip up here. That's also in the upper housing. Okay, and that should be removed and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.